Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the 2021 badge on TikTok. Very simple and easy to do. Now, first things first, you just want to head over to your app store and just confirm that you are fully updated on TikTok. You'll know that you need an update if it says update here instead of open, but if it just says open here, you are good to go. You are fully updated. So you just want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Once you're on TikTok and you just go to your homepage, you should see this little circle here that says year on TikTok. You want to go ahead and click on that. And it's going to bring up this little portion here where it's going to say get started. So we're just going to click on get started here. And then it's going to load up this little video for us. So we can just click on play for this. And we just have to watch this. So we'll just give this a second here. And it's going to tell us here, don't throw your 2020 up just yet. Take a look back on your year on TikTok. So we can just scroll through here if we want to. And it's going to play this little like swipe down thing. So we're just going to continue to swipe all the way down. You guys can read this if you want. I personally don't use TikTok, so I'm not very interested in this at all. So I'm just going to continue to scroll down to the bottom, clicking on this little arrow. And it's going to play this video. It might take a little bit, so just got to be patient. And once you are done going through all that, you will see this right here where it's going to show your little photo with the 2021 on it, as well as a little video here. It's going to tell you that you have to post this to TikTok. So we're just going to click on post to TikTok. And unfortunately, it doesn't allow you to just make this video private. You do have to post it publicly, just like this, as you guys see, to get your public badge. Post your video as public, unfortunately, which sucks, but it is what it is, I guess. So now all you have to do at this point is just click on post. And as you can see, it's posted on my page just like this. And my profile picture now has the new badge on it. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get this badge on TikTok. If this video did help you, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.